everyone! Today, I'm going to show how to make Kamote Halaya using already cooked sweet potatoes. This recipe is easy, creamy, and perfect for merienda or dessert. Let's get started. First, grate the cooked sweet potatoes using a grater. Make sure that the kamote is fully cooled before grating. In a pan, combine the coconut milk, uba condensed milk, and the grated sweet potatoes or kamote. Mix everything really well before turning on the heat so that the sweet potato is evenly coated with the milky goodness. The condensed milk adds sweetness and makes the halaya creamy and rich, so we don't need extra sugar. You can even taste it here and adjust by adding a little more condensed milk if you like it sweeter. Once everything is smooth and well combined, we're ready to cook. Turn the heat to low and stir continuously to prevent sticking or burning. When the mixture starts to thicken, add the margarine. Stir until glossy. Transfer to a greased container, smooth the top, and let it cool. For the toppings, you can spread some margarine and top with grated cheese. And that's how you make Kamote Halaya using grated cooked sweet potato. Easy, delicious, and perfect for merienda. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.